Hello there, my stamping friends. Susan here with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. I just wanted to give you a quick peek at the Funfold projects I am sharing with my Funfold class in the month of May, and it's not too late to sign up, so please don't hesitate. I'm going to do these two Funfolds. These were just made with my project videos, which you get as part of your class. So this one is called the Twisted Easel Book Fold. So the front pops up like that, right? And then we've got the book fold included. So it's kind of a two-in-one project. And then this one, I'm sure it has other names, but I've called it the inverted C fold. So it's kind of like a Z fold, but the front inverts on itself, so I've called it the inverted Z fold. So these two projects, I go in my video step by step how you cut all the project materials, do all the scoring, and then I put them together and finish them off. And if you are interested in participating, what you will get is a pre-made template from me with all the measurements on it, along with a printed tutorial, and also I send you a project kit for both of them so that you can go ahead and try these fancy folds before you have to do any of the hard work of cutting or scoring or deciding what you want to make. So if you want to have some fun and have a nice easy project kit sent to you in the mail, you can get both templates for $18 for the month. That's $9 each, and remember, you get the pre-made template, the tutorial printed out, a video tutorial to follow along with, and a practice kit as well. So it's really a steal of a deal. So if you're interested, please use the links below, contact me, sign up for the class, and I will get your kits in the mail as soon as possible. And if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment here or contact me by email. All my links are in the blurb below, so you can find me easily. All right, until next time, do some fun stamping.